Espanyol. Parents, please join the students.
Mamaya na.
Pwede na daw kuya.
Mamaya. Ayun.
Congratulations. Thank you, Ma'am Amira, for the help. May we call on Mrs. Anglet to help us giving the ribbon ceremony. The next award, most thoughtful for kinder student Eliza Bianfor Tong.